The question number 5 is find the values of sine 75 and the second question is tan 15. We have to find the values of sine 75. We already studied 30, 45, 60, 90 etc. But here we want to find the sine 75. How can we solve? Let us see. Listen. So first of all you have to watch the entire video. After that you have to practice in your notebook. Okay. Before going to start this problem, in this exercise 3.3, so many problems are there. We will do one by one. Okay. Let us do this problem. Okay. So the first one is sine of 75 degree. Sine of 75 degree means we have to split these angles. What does? You have to split this angle. What are the angles we know? 30, 45, 60, 90, etc. Here 75. 75 means we have to split in the 30 and 45. We already know the 30 values and 45. That is why we have to split into the 30 and 45. So here we have to do sine 75 degree is equal to sine of 30 degree plus 45 degree. Okay. Here the sine of 30 degree plus 45 degree means we have to remember the formula sine of a plus b. What is sine of a plus b? We already discussed what is sine of a plus b. We already studied in the last class sine of a plus b. We already discussed all the formulas. If you haven't seen that video means please check it out. Okay. So here sine of a plus b. What is sine of a plus b? It is very easy. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. This is the formula for sine of a plus b. Here what is sine 30 plus 45? That means sine 30 cos 45 plus cos 30 sine 45. That is the formula. So let us solve this. Here sine 75 degree implies here we have to split this angle, that is sine of 30 plus 45 degree. Okay. So that means you have to split this sine of a plus b. What is sine of a plus b? Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So here sine a, that is this is a, this is b. So sine 30 cos 45 degree plus sine plus cos 30 degree and sine 45 degree. Let us expand. Okay. So here sine of 30 plus 45, which is nothing but sine of a plus b. That is the formula will become sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Let us substitute the values. We know what is sine 30. Sine 30 equal to 1 by 2 and cos 30 equal to, that is root 3 by 2. Next, sine 45 equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. So, we have to remember the values. What are the values here? That is 30, 45, 30, 45. So, sine 30. What is the value of sine 30? That is 1 by 2. Then cos 30. What is cos 30? That is root 3 by 2. Sine 45 and cos 45 will be the same value, that is 1 by root 2. So, you should remember these values. That is very important. Then only you can solve this type of problems. Okay. So, did you understand this? Okay. Let us substitute the value. What is sine 30? That is 1 by 2 into cos 45. That is 1 by root 2 plus cos 30, that is root 3 by 2 into sine 45 1 by root 2. Okay. Then here that is 1 by 2 root 2 plus here root 3 by 2 root 2. So here the denominators are the root 2. That means 1 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. 1 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. So what is the the value of sine 75? This is the value of sine 75. That is 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Let us explain once more, okay? Here we want to find sine 75. We don't know the value of a sine 75. We know only the 30, 60, 45, 90, etc. So let us split the angle based on which values are you know. That is 75 means we can split into 30 and 45. So we have to write it as sine 75 equal to sine of 30 plus 45. That is based on sine of a plus b. That is the formula is there. What is sine of a plus b? Yes, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So from here a and b are the two angles 30 and 45. Let us substitute here sine 30 cos 45 and cos 30 sine 45. Okay, is it clear? Then sine 30 is 1 by 2. We must remember the value sine 30, 45, 60. So you should thoroughly go through the table. Okay. Then here 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. Let us solve this. 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. The denominators are same. We have to add the numerator. Okay. Then here 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2 is the answer of sine 75. Is it clear? Okay. If you have any doubts or suggestion, please write below the comment box. In case if you are new in my channel, means please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon and the right side. Okay. Next we are doing the second problem, how to find tan 50. Okay. The second problem is tan 15. So we have to split the angles. How can we split? This is the small value, that is 15. But we know 30, 45. Well, then we can write it as 45 minus 30. It is 50? Yes, so it is 50 degrees. So we have to split this tan 50. Means we can write it as tan 50 equal to, we can write it as tan of 45 minus 30. Is it clear? Okay. Then we have to remember that what is the formula of tan of a plus b? What is the formula of tan of a plus b? We already discussed the formulas. Okay. Sine of a plus b, sine of a minus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a minus, everything we discussed in my channel. Okay. If you haven't seen that videos, please check it out. Okay. So what is here tan of a minus b? That is very easy. Tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. This is the formula. Okay, once more. What is the formula for tan of a minus b? That is tan a minus tan b all divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. Here the angles a and b are 45 and 30. Let us substitute and we have to remember the trigonometric values of tan 30 and tan 45. Okay. So what is the value of tan 30? So tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. And what is tan 45? Tan 45 equal to 1. Okay. So we have to remember that tan 30 and tan 45 because here all the terms are on tan. So we have to find tan 30 and tan 45. Okay. Let us substitute here. That implies tan of 45 minus 30 degree. Okay. Then here that is the tan of a minus b. What is the formula? Tan a minus tan b. That means here tan 45 degree minus tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree, tan 30 degree. Okay. Let us substitute the values. What is tan 45? Tan 45 will be 1. So here 1 minus tan 30, 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. Let us solve. Here the numerator is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 whole divided by here root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Let us simplify. How can we simplify? You have to take it as a reciprocal of the denominator. That is equal to here root 3 minus 1 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3 plus 1. So 3 will be cancelled. Then the answer will be root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 is the answer of tan 15. Is it clear? Here tan 15. Tan 15 is not in the trigonometric value. So we have to split. Tan 45 minus 30. Okay. After that we have to substitute the trigonometric formulas. Tan of a minus b, which is nothing but tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So we have to remember the values tan 30 1 by root 3 and tan 45 1. Let us substitute and solve means it will get this answer. We have to change this answer. It is a irrational number. So we have to change into a rational number means we have to how to rationalize. We already studied in the 9th class. Let us see. Here again we have to change this irrational number into rational number. Let us see here. Okay. So here we got root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. How can we rationalize? Take the conjugate of the denominator. Take the conjugate of the denominator and multiply. Then here root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Here the numerators are a minus b into a minus b, that is a minus b the whole square divided by this is a plus b into a minus b. That means here a square minus b square. Let us simplify. Here root 3 minus 1 means root 3 the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. We already studied. Then 2 into root 3 plus here 1 square divided by the denominator will be root 3 square is 3 minus 1. So the answer is root 3 square means 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 3 minus 1 2. So here 3 plus 1 that is 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. From here it has a common value that is 2. That means 2 into 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. 2 will be cancelled. The answer will be 2 minus root 3. So the answer is 2 minus root 3. Okay. Once more. If you substitute the values tan 30 and tan 45 in this formula means we get root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. It is an irrational number. So we have to change this into rational number. How can we change? We already studied in the 9th class. How can? It will be take the conjugate of the denominator and multiply. Then it will become rational number. So here root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. The conjugate is minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. The numerators will be a minus b into a minus b, which is nothing but a minus b the whole square. Then the denominator will be root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. That is a square minus b square. Then root 3 square minus 1. So here we have to expand a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then root 3 the whole square minus 2 root 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Let us simplify. Root 3 the whole square is 3. 3 plus 1 4. So 4 minus root 3 2 root 3 by 2. Here there is a common 2. Take it out. Then 2 into 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. The answer will be 2 minus root 3. Is it clear about this question? Okay. If you have any doubts or suggestion, please write below the comment box. Okay. One time you have to watch the entire video. After that, you have to practice in your notebook. Practice makes perfect. Okay. So I hope you all understood these all problems. Okay. In case if you are new in my channel, means please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, that means please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon on the right side. Then only you will get more updates from my channel. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon on my next video. Till then, bye.